A few leftover containers. Let's pack some snacks. We're going to go back to our single compartment containers. This is kind of optional. You don't have to package your snacks, but if you like containers like I do, it's just kind of fun and easy to have a meal already packaged for you. Okay, so I chose dates as a snack because these don't require any prep. I can just dump them in. This is also great for traveling too. I just thought of that. You know, if you're going on a road trip and you don't want to cook your food when you're traveling, you just pre-package everything like this. It makes it easy. Okay, these are just organic mandarin oranges. I'm going to put one in each container. Okay, and then I have some apples here, just some organic Pink Lady apples. And I didn't buy any nuts, but you can also put nuts in here. Let's see, is this lid going to go on? Yeah, that'll be fine. You can put nuts, you can put any other snacks that you have on hand. Maybe what I'll do is I'll put some of those bars into these. I do have a lot of leftover fruit, so I can go ahead and already pre-portion some of that. Let's see. Is the banana gonna fit in there, I think? And it doesn't have to be the same for every day. Maybe there's one day when you don't need a snack, or maybe there's one day when you really need a bigger snack. Okay, we have the bar left. I'll put that in where there's no banana. And then we have these leftover strawberries. Just throw a few in there like that. Okay, so here's an example of a snack pack. Here's another example. Here's one with the banana. Okay, so I didn't do 7. I have 6 here, but that's okay because sometimes I don't end up eating all the snack, so I can save it for the next day or combine it for the last day. All right. So the Bentgo meal prep container pack has 30 containers, and you're going to use probably about 28 of them for this meal packaging. I'll share my affiliate link to these on Amazon in the description below. Okay, so here is 28 meals all packaged in probably less than 30 minutes. This is going to be a whole week's worth of food already ready to go. Some of it's already ready to eat. Some of it's just pop in the microwave and serve.